Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Tita, and today I am going to do a unboxing of my Whisker City small pet fountain that I just purchased at PetSmart. Not sponsored. And I just picked up a few things for them. Of course, this is what I feed my cats, the Fancy Feast gravy lovers. They absolutely love this. And then this is their new thing that they like by Fancy Feast, and that's the fillets, the chicken fillets. This one's natural white meat chicken in a tuna broth. They also have just a regular one, and they absolutely love this. So I'm gonna put those away, and I decided that I wanted to try the fountain for my cats. I have two cats, and my one cat has a lot of fur balls, so she throws up a lot, and I don't see her drinking water quite as much as my other one, and my other one doesn't really have the fur ball throw up problem. So I wanted to try to get a fountain for them. I have a friend who doesn't have this one, but she does have a fountain, and she said that it did increase her cats with drinking water. This is my current situation here, which is just the bowl of dry and the bowl of, and just the water, the bowl of water. So I thought I would try that. I got this cute little mat to go like underneath the fountain. I thought this was absolutely adorable. And then I thought if something happens, I wouldn't have water all over the place, or hopefully not. But I thought it was really, really cute. And let me get this opened up, and I will show you guys. I've been just using like a plastic one, but that's the new mat that I got. And it's a menu, like a cat's menu, and it has different things on here. Tuna fish sandwich. I thought it was really cute. Pa's favorite, fish entree vermin. I like this one. Chicken chaser chunks with baked carrots. Anyway, so I got that really cute mat, and I thought I'm gonna move their bowl and stuff over here because that's where my plug is, and I thought we'll go ahead and unbox this. I'm very curious to see what these guys would do. So, and I got a fantastic deal on this. At PetSmart, if you were a card holder, they had this marked down to 18 bucks. So you can't even get it online like that. So I opened it up, and here is the instructions, a filter, and then a pink piece of paper. And then we've got a lid and our little cat bowl. This is the small bowl. So let's open this up. I'll get all the stuff out of the plastic here. Here's that must be the pump, nope, plug. I'll put that over there. It's got a little tie on it, so we'll untie it. Okay, so that'll be ready. Here's the bowl, which is a perfect size for my two cats. They're not huge cats, they're kind of small. So let's look at the instructions. Let me get this untied. Okay. There's a pink piece of paper. It says, important, please read before operating. Check the power cord, read the instructions, place fountain on a protective mat, which I did. Water resistant surface to protect the floors from splashing or dripping. Other minor spills and splashes caused by the owner or pet. There should be no sign of water on the mat or the floor. Additional to Additionally, be sure to monitor your fountain on a regular basis to ensure proper function. Got it. Check. Okay, so I am a instruction reader. And the first page is the safety instructions. Got it. It's for indoor use only. Don't pull on the cord. Yada yada. Okay, got it. Okay, this shows everything that should be here, which is check. That is, everything's there. Okay, as electron, make sure to. Okay, so this, the cord that's on the back of the water fountain, I'm going to make sure I check my cord as it suggests. Make sure there's no tears or rips in it. Looks good to me. So it says that you're supposed to take this and plug it into here, like that. Okay, so we did that. Remove the lid. So I guess you're supposed to be able to, I guess you pinch it on the sides and this lifts up. And we're going to put the cartridge in, is what it's telling me. Okay, so it says insert charcoal filter, which is this. It fits in the housing with the black side of the filter facing out towards the spout, which would be this way. Filter will slide easily into place. Make sure that it is pushed all the way down. It says that I need to rinse the filter thoroughly under cold water before placing it in the fountain. This will remove any loose charcoal dust, which is harmless. A small amount of charcoal dust may shed for the life of the filter. This is normal and it is not harmful to your pet. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I ran my filter under cold water. I actually have a filter, a pure filter that's attached to my sink, and I did run this under that, and it says to put it in and then push it down. Place fountain in desired location. Let's move this. So I wanted to go over here. So I'm going to put it there. You guys can still see. Okay. Always use a protective mat or other durable water-resistant surface to help protect the floor. Okay, fill your fountain with water by pouring water directly into the bowl and the housing unit. This will prime the pump. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, so I got a cup. I'm going to fill it up, and I was reading ahead. It said to fill up to 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch from the rim of the bowl. So I'm gonna I think I'm making a mess here. Glad I have the mat. It also says, I was kind of reading ahead. Let's put some in here. Maybe just a little bit more. It said 1/2 inch. So that seems about right. Okay. It's recommended to leave at least 1/4 to 1/2 of space between the water level and the bowl rim. So at least that. before you plug in the fountain, make sure your hands are dry. Set the desired flow, which is this little knob right here. Let me try to get you guys a little bit closer. Okay. So this tiny knob here is where the flow knob is, and it says, so if you move it to 10 o'clock, it's supposed to smaller the stream, but if you move it to 2 o'clock, it is a stronger stream. Add water to the fountain as needed. Never let the water level fall below a half an inch of the bottom of the bowl, or you may burn out the pump. So basically, like, you wouldn't want it to get like to the top of that knob, I would say. I would estimate that. So, okay, so let's put this back on. It just snaps on. And we'll plug it in. Ta-da! All right. So that looks like that's the stronger stream. And then here's the... Okay. I might leave it on the lower one just till they get used to it. It's very quiet. I mean, can you guys hear anything? It's sort of like a low hum. Very quiet. I like it. I don't see that it's leaking at all. And then there's fountain disassembly and cleaning. It says to clean it once a week. It gives you directions on how to clean it. You're supposed to replace the filter every 2 to 4 weeks. On the box it said, depending on, I guess, how many cats you have or animals. I only have the 2, so I would assume I could go 4 weeks. And they're not huge cats, so there's pump maintenance. I guess how to take the pump apart and clean it. I know I did watch a video that the guy suggested a bottle brush, like a baby bottle brush, or a toothbrush to clean like around the pump. And I guess that seems to be like the main issue that people have with this, is the pump itself gets clogged. And so fountain in your environment. So far I like it. You don't see the cats running over here per se. But then they'll have their water and their food, and hopefully this will encourage, especially the one cat that I have, to, here she comes actually. Let's see what she does. Look. Ellie, looky. She's like, eh. What do you think? There. She's checking it out. No go so far, huh? As you can see, I do have my cats do go on the counter. They eat and drink on the counter. And the main reason for that is because these cats were actually my mother's cats, and that's what they were used to. I have done it on the floor, but this is a lot easier for me to refill their food and do their water, and it's just a lot easier on me. So far we didn't get Allie drinking anything, but I will see if maybe I can attach a video at the end of here of maybe her drinking from it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps anybody. We'll see you soon. Good girl. What a good girl. Wow. But she never drinks this long. Wow. Well, this cat likes it. Oh my goodness. She never drinks this long. Are you checking it out? Do you like it? All right. Now if we could just get the other one to do it.